Before you scroll away, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever picked up a rosary and felt confused, unsure if you were even praying it the right way? You're not alone. A lot of people want to pray the rosary but stop because no one ever explained it in a simple, clear way. They were taught the words, but not the heart behind them. In this video, I'm going to walk with you through the rosary slowly, step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to pray it with peace, confidence, and understanding, even if you've never prayed it before. The rosary is not about rushing through prayers. It's about slowing down enough to let God speak. It's a quiet conversation, not a performance. Begin by holding the crucifix and making the sign of the cross. Take a breath. This moment matters. You are stepping out of noise and into prayer. Now pray the Apostles' Creed. These words remind you of what you believe and who you belong to. Don't rush them. Let them ground you. Move to the first large bead and pray the Our Father, the prayer Jesus himself taught. As you say it, remember that God is not distant. He is listening. On the next 3 beads, pray 3 Hail Marys. Traditionally, these are offered for faith, hope, and love. With each prayer, let your heart soften a little more. After this, pray the Glory Be. It's a simple moment of praise, acknowledging that everything begins and ends with God. Now pause and announce the first mystery. This is where the rosary becomes more than words. You're about to reflect on a moment from the life of Jesus. Picture it. Sit with it. Pray the Our Father again, and then move through the 10 Hail Marys slowly. This repetition is not empty. It creates rhythm. And in that rhythm, your mind grows quiet. If your thoughts wander, don't panic. That doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. Gently bring your focus back to the mystery. God values your effort, not perfection. After the 10 Hail Marys, pray the Glory Be and the Fatima prayer. Then move on to the next mystery and repeat the same pattern. With each decade, you're walking through joy, pain, light, and glory. You begin to see your own life reflected in these moments, your struggles, your waiting, your hope. By the time you reach the final mystery, something usually shifts. The heart feels lighter, the noise fades, peace settles in. At the end, pray the Hail Holy Queen. It's a humble prayer, asking for guidance and mercy, trusting that you are not walking alone. Finish with the sign of the cross. Stay still for a moment. Let the prayer rest in you. If you've stayed this far, don't stop here. In the next part of this video, I'll guide you through the entire rosary in real time so you can pray along with me, bead by bead. This might not change your situation overnight, but it can change how you carry it.